Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can claim the Beautiful.ai 1-year plan for free from the official promotion page. On this channel, we provide you giveaways, useful tech tips, and tricks to make your digital life easier. We're about to hit 10,000 subscribers, so if you are new to the channel, feel free to join our community. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future updates. Now, let's get back to today's topic. First, you need to visit the official website of Beautiful.ai at Beautiful.ai. If you are a student, researcher, or working in an office and you make frequent presentations, then I would recommend you use this AI. Now, if you check the pricing section, you will see that the professional plan costs $12 per month, which is $144 per year. But now you can claim this plan for free officially. For this, you need to visit the education page of Beautiful.ai. Don't worry, this offer is valid for everyone, so anyone can claim this benefit. Kindly follow my advice closely. You can see on the education page, there is an option that says Claim.EDU offer. Click on that option. Now you need to enter an .edu email as well as a password. For an .edu email, visit this website and choose an .edu email. Enter your name and then create your personal email. On the Beautiful.ai sign-up page, enter all the information and then click on Start Free Trial. Next, confirm your email address Now enter a valid school or university name and the website of your school or university. Choose your grade year as 2027 or 2028. When you are ready, click on Submit. Finally, we are enrolled in Beautiful.ai successfully. Perfect. Now check the billing section from your account. As you can see, there is no subscription currently on our account. But don't get panicked. This is because we have not purchased any subscription plan, but we have claimed the student offer for free. To confirm that we really have the professional plan, go to Advanced. Now, click on Upgrade, and you can see that we have the professional plan. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.